Hello everyone, welcome to another video from my art address. My name is Tan and today I will be sharing with you one of my favorite techniques for paint pouring, which is Dutch pour. It is currently raining outside. It has been like this for quite a while this week, and every time the rain stopped, the rainbow started to appear, and it's always beautiful, to me at least. As we all know, rainbow is not a rare phenomenon, but for some reason, every time it appears, it always makes the viewer so excited to see it, and it's not only bring excitement, it's also bring joy and happiness and hope for the viewers. And that is the reason why today I will be using the color from the rainbow for my Dutch pour. So the color that I have prepared for today pour are purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and white base with black. The paint I'm using today is acrylic paint mixed with Floetrol and water. I will leave the mixing ratio in the comment box below if you are curious. For now, let's start. Okay, with the step number 1, let's start with the base. So with the base for the pour today, I'll be using the white paint. So the paint is mixed with water and Floetrol. And so first of all, I pour the paint on the canvas and slightly tilt it, and using the hair dryer or the spatula to spread it evenly. Once the canvas is covered with paint, I will determine the composition line. First of all, I will use the black paint to draw a curve across the canvas. So I imagine this black line would be a good guideline, and also it's going to create a depth in the color combination later on. Now I start applying the colors in rainbow order, which is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. As you notice that I keep my paint in the sauce bottle because this gives that precision when you do the line pouring like this. Well, the color lining up very well. I really like it so far. However, I think there's something missing, so I decided to add another branch at the end of the main line, and let's see how it's gonna turn out. Now all our primary colors are lining up pretty well. It's time to burst out all the air bubble in the paint with the blowtorch. Hi guys, if you like my tutorial video so far, please don't forget to give me a thumb up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. We are a team of 2, and if you're really loving what we are doing right now, you can just click in the link below and buy us a coffee. Okay, let's get back to painting. So in step number 3, we'll be using air to blow out the paint to create the painting that we intended to do, and that's what we call Dutch pour. So to use the air today, I will be using a mini hairdryer with the flat head concentrated attachment. This mini hairdryer is perfect for doing Dutch pour on a small canvas, so I strongly recommend it. I will leave the link in the comment box below if you are curious and would like to buy the same equipment that I'm using right now. This one is important to take note. Before you blow out the paint, just gonna make sure that your hairdryer in the lowest speed. I made many mistakes before, and this is my take out, is put it on the lowest speed and slowly blow out the paint from its composition line. In this way, you will get a full control of how the paint flow and what direction you want the paint to go, without splashing all the paint everywhere and ruin that composition. I'm quite happy with the composition of the painting so far, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of a color up top so that it's matching with the other 3 corners of the painting. Oh wow, I really love this vibrant color, and all the sails started to appear as well, so I'm gonna tilt the canvas a little bit to stretch them out. but so far they are just gorgeous. Look at these vibrant colors that contrast with the white background. I love that rainbow colors of it. Please do let me know how do you feel about this painting in the comment box below. Now let's wait for the dry result. Here we go guys, the painting is completely dry after 2.5 days, and I also varnished with gloss varnish. So this is the end result in close-up. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Thank you very much for watching this far, and if you're already watching this far, I'm sure you have loved this video as I love this painting as well. Please give me a thumb up, subscribe if you haven't done so, and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks, ciao!